In Bhopal, Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia's turn onlookers at a private school event by lifting former CM Digvijay Singh onto the stage. Despite their political rivalry, Scindia noticed Digvijay sitting below and offered his hand, bringing him up amid applause. The heartfelt moment caught on video has gone viral, symbolizing unity and respect beyond politics. Social media and political circle have praised this rare display of goodwill, calling it a moment of grace. Both leaders set aside differences, sending a powerful message. Humanity should always come before politics. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav announced Rs 30 crore relief aid for 28,400 flood-affected families in Madhya Pradesh. Speaking via video conference, Yadav said the government stands united with victims, calling floods an unexpected disaster. Earlier, Rs 28 crore has been disbursed and more support will follow after crop damage assessments. The CM emphasized the government's swift action and continuous monitoring to ease people's suffering. Officials assure quick, transparent help as communities struggle to recover from severe monsoon floods, underscoring the state's commitment to relief and rehabilitation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to inaugurate PM Mitra Textile Park in Dhar district on August 25th. The mega project aims to create over 1 lakh jobs and boost local textile industries as part of the Make in India initiative. CM Dr. Mohan Yadav praised the project, highlighting its potential to attract global investors and promote skilled employment. The park will support small textile businesses and strengthen the Swadeshi movement. Madhya Pradesh is positioning itself as a key player in India's textile sector, aligning with central government efforts to drive economic growth. Madhya Pradesh longest flyover stretching from Damoh Naka to Madan Mahal in Jabalpur will open on August 23rd. Union Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari and CM Dr. Mohan Yadav are expected to attend the inauguration. The elevated corridor will significantly reduce city traffic congestion and improve daily commute for thousands. Public Works Minister Rakesh Singh called the project a milestone in urban infrastructure and road development. This flyover is set to transform Jabalpur's transport system, reflecting the state's focus on modernizing infrastructure and boosting urban mobility. Madhya Pradesh Cultural Department announced winner of the prestigious Kishore Kumar Awards. Prasoon Joshi, lyricist and CBFC chief, will receive the 2024 award for songwriting excellence. Filmmaker Sanjay Leela Bhansali is set for the 2025 award. Meanwhile, the Lata Mangeshkar Award goes to composer Pra Shankar Ehsaan Loy in 2024 and Sonu Nigam in 2025. These honors celebrate India's rich music and cinema legacy. State officials said the award reflects Madhya Pradesh's commitment to recognizing top artistic talent and promoting cultural heritage across the nation. Revenue staff protests in Bhopal have caused delay in over 600 court cases for 3 consecutive days. The staff demand clear distinction between judicial and non-judicial duties. The strike affects not only hearing but also land records, registry and property-related paperwork. With 2 days holiday ahead, disruptions are expected to worsen, frustrating citizens who travel from distant areas only to return empty-handed. Authorities have yet to resolve the standoff. Meanwhile, public services in the Revenue Department remain at a standstill, causing widespread inconvenience and growing calls for urgent administrative intervention. A government school teacher in Piplia Solanki village, Mandsaur, was arrested for inappropriate conduct with 5 girls students from class 3rd to 5th. The incident came to light after the girls reported the abuse to their parents, who promptly alerted authorities. The Education Department suspended the accused Phul Muhammad Qadri and police have sent him to jail. The community demands strict punishment as concerns rise about child safety and school monitoring. This case has sparked calls for enhanced vigilance to protect students from harassment in government schools. Actor Saif Ali Khan received relief from the Supreme Court in a long-running ancestral property dispute in Bhopal. The court stayed a recent Madhya Pradesh High Court order that had overturned a 25-year-old trial court decision and ordered a fresh hearing. This intervention temporarily paused the fresh proceeding, offering Saif Ali Khan some respite. The property dispute involves royal family assets in Bhopal and has seen years of legal battles. The Supreme Court's stay indicates a complex case is still far from resolution, keeping public attention on his high-profile property conflict. In Khandwa, over 3,000 revenue cases are pending as Tehsildar are not performing their duties. After official went on strike, the work was divided among other staffs, but it has not helped. The situation is affecting common people who are waiting for important land and property related decision. Meanwhile, clerks have also extended their strike until the 13th of this month, making things worse. With no hearing happening, public services are almost at a standstill. People are demanding quick action from the administration to resolve the issue and restart the work. Madhya Pradesh has seen no heavy rain for 7 consecutive days, pushing temperature above 34 degrees Celsius in over 10 districts. The weather department forecast no immediate relief, raising heat stress concern. Farmer fear worsening crop condition as humidity rises and water level drop after earlier good rainfall. The unexpected pause in monsoon rains threaten agricultural output and water supply. Authorities continue monitoring the situation closely, hoping rains resume soon. Meanwhile, residents brace for rising heat and potential challenges to water availability in coming days.